How does Ted's wood processing work? You will get comprehensive projects with thorough tutorials, from A to Z, that make project creation super fast, very simple, and incredibly fun. With the hands-on principles, you can get woodworking jobs done in a fraction of the present time. It is similar to having a master carpenter in hand, guiding you through the entire project. You get exact cut and substance lists for each project. It is easier to buy specific quantities, meaning you will no longer throw hard-earned money on bad wood, improper materials, or the wrong quantity. It saves time and reduces waste. It saves money. You will spend more time creating, less time worrying. Now you can observe exactly how things will look before you build them. Most blueprints do not contain this as they are only based on assumptions. In the end, you will create an object that doesn't look like the image above. You get complex information about each position, every corner, every match. The shows will never make you guess or make you headaches with every detail. The program covers all stages of skill and expertise. You don't have to be a professional carpenter or have expensive equipment to use Ted's programs. Whether you are a complete beginner, a novice with manual equipment, or an experienced expert, you will discover a large number of projects tailored to your level. Here's an easy-to-use guide. This is a program for everyone regardless of your skill level in woodworking. Designs range from simple options to details. No matter how you plan to use this program, you are guaranteed better results at the end. Ted's woodworking plans are a great resource and tool to become a good furniture maker. It serves the purpose of being a great companion for everyone wishing to enter the woodworking sector. Click the descriptive link below to watch the video tutorials specific to you.